Hello there, welcome.
Oh, I got a follower and I can't see who it is because I have the alert really small here. I wish I could. I guess I can. I'm about to start. I'm just arranging some windows here. And just launching some other stuff. I don't know why my Twitch alerts have that image that I cannot remove. Oh yes, Anna Hall just follow me. Thank you and welcome. Yes, I am coding a Genesis. This is an awesome mod. Anna Hall, I don't know if I'm pronouncing well the name because I'm not good at that. But he's the leader of this team. So there we go. I guess that shows correctly, I hope. I'm just going to lower the volume of the music just a bit more. I guess that is fine, I hope. Okay, right now I'm working on Dung. It might sound a little nasty, but yes, that is what I'm doing. I'm working on making dinosaur dung on the wall generation. This mod is looking very good so far. It requires a lot of effort and a lot of time needed for it, but I think so far is the nicest mod I have seen around there, because the wall generation is very cool. Reminds me of gangsters. My accent reminds you of gangsters. Oh, that's funny. Well, I am Mexican, so I am sure I have a very weird accent. That's fine, but I find that funny. That's very funny. Okay, so let's just do a little test around here. I'm going to start the world, and I hope it looks fine. I have no idea if this is going to look fine, because I just made the Windows setup so I can stream the whole monitor, because I am streaming the Eclipse interface and the game, and sometimes that has a weird effect, but it seems to be running fine so far. This mode is in 1.9. Yes, I am a modder. I have done a few mods so far. I am participating in this project Genesis. You could find it in Minecraft forums. It's a very good project. It's not finished yet. It's in the progress. And I have done some other mods, mainly in 1.7. Only one mod I have migrated to 1.9 and 1.10. The other ones are still in 1.7, sadly. I haven't had the time to port them. I have coded the World Explorer, Iscal Minimobs, Weapon Case Loot, random restockable crates, and yeah, some of them. Mainly simple mods. Wolfram hacking client. Oh, well, I don't know about that, but good to know. Well, if you are a major coder, I'm sorry, you're going to see me noob do some noob stuff, because I am not very experienced yet. I am a software developer in C#, and I started coding Minecraft since 1.7. That is not really long ago, so I do need more experience. I'm going to create a new world just to take a look at the world generation around here and see how dung is currently being generated, and to see if I can make some changes. Let's see. Okay, this is the vanilla world being generated right now. At some points, well, maybe because I am just coding and I need to think, at some point I might go silent for a bit in case I'm thinking in something. Oh, okay, that's weird. Oh man, since I'm working on this mod, I am getting so some awesome spawns. And I wish I was saving the seeds, but I am not saving them. This spawn is great. Oh, this is great. I'm going to go to Genesis by typing the command in chat. All right, that's very good. Danny Royal, I like the fact that you chose this one to chill out. I hope it's nice being around here. I'm currently running, playing the soundtrack of Assassin's Creed Unity. I find it to be a really good soundtrack just to chill out, and it helps to think. Usually when I'm coding, I'm watching streams or videos in YouTube. The only reason I hear music right now is because I am streaming and I cannot be watching another stream because that wouldn't be nice. Okay, this place is really nice. I really liked how this biome came out, and I'm next to a forest. That is the Arrow collection. Oh, well, I can type it, but I'm not sure I can pronounce that. Araucarioxylon forest. But this red desert looks really nice, doesn't it? Oh man, I can't wait. I just can't wait to the moment this mod has mobs, like some prehistoric animals and proto-mammals and dinosaurs roaming around these areas. This is going to look so nice. Oh, is that right? I'm not going to fall asleep, for sure. But yeah, that's fun. Well, could happen. Yes, it's looking cool. Look at this landscape. I really love it. The fog and everything. The atmosphere I'm getting on these places. Oh yes, and the sky color and all that. Okay, let's take a look here. There's not going to be dung on this forest, but I'm just going to walk or fly around here and see if I find the Meta Sequoia forest or the Woodlands biome. Oh, okay, I'm going to go down because I really like this biome too. This biome is really nice because it has all these trees. And it also gives a really good atmosphere. I don't know if it could be a good idea to have like white fog on this biome. To have white fog and make it look a little more foggy. Maybe that will help in creating some atmosphere here. At some point, I don't know, maybe with a few mods added, I would like to just play around here in survival and see what I can do. Look at this. This is a small camp generation made by oh, I forgot who did it. I was supposed to do this, but I didn't do it because I couldn't. I didn't have enough experience to do that. Let's see. Some loot inside here. A shovel head and some feather. Coil of Isis feather. And oh, camouflage cap. Can I wear this? I know I can, but oh, that's so fun. Oh yeah. I just have a bush on my head. Nice. Yeah, walking around in camouflage armor. I can just get it from here. Camo. There we go. I can have the tunic, the leggings, and the boots. This is going to be so fun once it's on multiplayer or something. Look at that. Look at that. I'm a walking bush. Oh yeah. You cannot see me. Oh, well, I guess I cannot do that. Or maybe, no, I cannot. There we go. I'm blending. Okay, let's look for a place where dung actually generates. That is what I'm working on right now. Come on, world, generate. This is something that has been happening since 1.9. The world just doesn't want to generate in front of me. I don't know why. Ah, a creepy house in the middle of nowhere. Well, believe me, it does have it. We just didn't find it. I'm sure there's a generation of a house. Look at this, come on. This is not the mod, actually, this is Forge. It happens to me even in vanilla. I don't know why. Maybe it's just my card or processor doing some weird stuff. What? I haven't seen this. There's a lot of trees here. Oh, this is some change. Oh, looks so nice. Okay, let's get out of the desert. Let's cross the ocean. And I have see green skies again. Yes, I don't know why 1.9 had all these problems with the world being generated. I made like a test mod in 1.10 to fly with the Elytra, and I have this same problem. When I'm flying very, very fast, world doesn't generate. The river looks really, really nice on this place. Nope. Please, people, don't message me right now. Okay. Wow, this desert is really big. I am tempted to just restart the world. Yeah, the skies are green because on this period there was a lot of oxygen and a lot of plants, and that is the reason for the green skies. It suits the time span we are on. Oh, there we go, some forest, and then oh yeah, this is another oaks forest. Let's see if there is another generation type. This happens a lot when I am coding the mod. Yeah, some biomes are really, really big. When I'm coding the mod and looking for a specific generation, I can travel a lot and I don't find the correct biome I want. Okay, I see some meta sequoia there. There we go, this is a woodlands, and there could be some dung. Here, let's look for it. Some pile of nasty thing. Nope, I don't see anything on the distance. Let's look for some here. I can't spot. Oh, there we go. There's a piece here, and but it is just a sample. Yuck! Let's look for another one. Oh, there we go. Okay. This looks a little bit better. I guess this plant broke apart here. I don't know, because dung generates first. I don't think the plant broke it. I think it degenerated like this. So let's take a look at the code and see how this was generated. So I'm setting a height of at least 4 and then add 2 more. That's 6. Let's do this. so we can have a 7. Okay, I'm going to do the following. I'm going to close the word here. Then what I usually do is I go to my files and I delete the content of this dimension. So it will generate again once I come here. Let's see. I want to make sure this places. This is going to always place. Okay, I'm going to change this to 2. Alright. So this doesn't make sense anymore, but I'll just leave it there. So I'm going to check it again and make sure it generates. So I'm looking for a more uniform generation here. Yep, exactly. I'm resetting it. Deleting the word contents makes it generate again, so it will create. There's another method to do that, and I may go for that in a moment, but yep. But let's see if this, I want to see it in the natural environment first. Okay, word is being generated once again. If it would be so easy to destroy and create words, wow, that's weird. I'm not sure of this. Let's try something else. I think the problem lies here. So I'm checking to place. Okay, this is a problem. I cannot be subtracting this. I need to do something like this, maybe. Let's do it again. Delete and recreate. Maybe the game window is small. I can try to change that. I wanted to look a little bigger on the stream. Well, if I do something like, come on. I can just do it right now, right? How's that? The aspect ratio, I don't like it very much. Let's do something like this. There we go. And there'll be land. Oh, okay. Now that is weird. Why doesn't... Okay, definitely this is not the shape I am looking for, but I'm just thinking why it happened like this. Okay, let's do the other method I was talking about. There's an item here. Let's go to that item. It's Genesis item. And let's go to flint and marcasite. Where is it? There we go. So I'm going just to do a little change here and do a success. There we go. I'm just creating a word generator here, and or position, just like that. So I'm going to save this, and I'm going to go hello Rivero. Is that okay? Oh, okay. Actually, Rivero, thanks for the suggestion, but I really, I'm not sure how to do that. Maybe I am. Change to Minecraft, to creative, and do programming.
Hello there, welcome.
Oh, thanks everyone for following. Oh, so you have been looking for a stream like this. That's good to know. I'm just reading the comments and trying to do something. Let's see. Creative, and add some hashtags. Programming. Alright, I'm just saving and paying attention to what you said and see if this worked. I'm not sure if that works, but there we go. I think I have done it. Yeah.
Hello there, welcome.
I am still a Twitch noob. Thanks for following Danny Royal. Yeah, okay. I hope that does something. Let's save and go to the testing world. Here. Okay, so this is the testing world. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff being done here. And let's see, let's put some dung to those villagers. Oh, I am famous. I was like, great. So let's do this. Okay, this, I don't like it. Why did it do that? I am failing into doing something else here. Let's go to the dung generation, and first I want to make sure all the columns are generated. 01. It always generates like that. Okay, I'll come back here and I'll put another condition just to make it a little more rare, so I don't have a so regular shape there. I speak Spanish. Yes, I am Mexican. Oh, there we go. There we go. That is something different now. Oh, but I think I know what happened. All right. Okay, I'm going to do another another change here. This is failing. The place column okay, I'm going to check if there's another set block overload I can use, because it is not being generated. Okay, this is what's happening. I am placing in the code, I am placing like, do you like the sound? In the code, I am placing like a column first, and then I am checking for positions to place other things. But before doing that, I am doing something like this. Then I am starting to go in a slope from here and here, so like this, like that. But since I already placed this spot, this doesn't generate. So I need to replace this with another like that, and do this to have a more regular shape. I have no idea if that explanation was explaining something at all, but that is the problem I'm having. So I have to prevent that from happening. The way I could do that is checking here if it's air. For example, if I remove this condition completely, I think that's okay, and then I remove this one, it's going to get a better effect. There we go. That is exactly what I'm looking for. But the problem with this is that if I do it next to a block, for example this, wait a minute, maybe that is exactly what I need, because it is not replacing this block. Oh. Do I need your help? You are totally welcome to pause to type suggestions, but I think I got something here. Yes, you're totally welcome to tell me to give me suggestions. I'm just going to go to create a new world. Haha. Cool, Rever Wolf. You're playing to add a campfire. Okay, let's delete this. Yeah, this method is really nice to do that. Let's go to another create world. Hello, Safe It Can One. Hi there. I mean, I'm having a good time right now. Because yeah, I have a lot of stuff to do, but right now I kind of forgot about many things that I wish I could forgot. There we go. No, this is a mod developing. Oh, create a mod that increases FPS. I wish I could. I wish I could do that. Do like an Optifine type stuff. Actually, Optifine doesn't work with me. I don't know why. I just cannot run it. Oh, that sounds funny. Create a mod that destroys the world. That sounds fun, yeah. My voice sounds smart. Oh, that makes me feel good. At least it makes me sound smart, right? In the modding scene, I haven't been around much. I started modding in 1.7. That is not very long. I am 37 years old. When I am not modding, I am working developing software. I might be leaving, don't know. Okay, let's see if I can find another of those nice forests. Wow, okay. Come on, world, don't do this to me. I see some woodlands. No, this is not woodlands. Okay. Let's go further. This is not the biome I want. Let's just go a little further. Whoa. Come on, world. As you can see, this mod requires a lot of time, and actually I'm doing my best effort to do more on this, but I have a lot of stuff to do around. I don't use Java on my work. I develop in C#. I use Java for Minecraft mod developing only. But I am planning to do some Java developments in my work later, because Java is really nice to use. I like programming with it, and well, actually, I'm not a big thing in business, but my job is my own business. I have a software I developed, and I am selling that software locally here. It's not a big, I could call it company, because we are like 3 people, but with time I hope it could grow. But lately I have been thinking that I want to work in the game industry. I want that to be my job. Language, I feel really good. Well, language, do you mean language in programming or speaking? Okay, this, how is this? This looks better, right? I mean, to be a big pile of dung. Let's see if I can find another one. Anak Hall, are you there? Can you see that pile of dung? Programming, I really like Java, but I like C# also, because it allows me to do a lot of neat stuff in business. But for game, I think I would prefer Java, baby. Okay, this is a small camp and has some loot. Yes! I want to play this. I want to play it so bad. The center seem a bit low. Let's do the following. Okay, for now I'm just looking at it being generated in Word. This one generated broke because there's some missing dirt here. Okay, I'm going to jump to the flat board to do some more tests and get the optimal shape. There's another pile there. The center is like 7 maximum. Yeah, Java is a kind of different coding. But I feel it performs really good. I mean, when I'm coding on it. Maybe not for rendering. For rendering could be something better, maybe. There we go, another one. This one is more flat. It's a lower one. The center is higher. The center is higher than the rest. This one is a little lower just because it is going down here. Every side, I could say, side has its own slope angle, if I could say that. Okay, between 8 and 9 layers. Okay, you gave me really good information there. So let's come here. Why did I do this? Yes, I still have to adjust this. I'm just checking if that if there could be problem here. I didn't see any broken stuff. Okay, let's go here. The height, it's between 8 and 9. That'll be like this. So I'm going to go to the flat world and do some more generations. Like this. Okay, so the center is between 8 and 9. but the following is not falling as I would like, so I need to make the fall distance like this, maybe. Let's see. How is that looking? It's weird how it changes, but I think it's a little bit better, right? It is always 8 or 9. Let's see, let's subtract a little bit more like this. The one before, well, due to Twitch delay, I'm not sure what is the one before. There's a delay not only for Twitch, but my connection is not really good, so there could be a delay for that reason. Let's do that. Okay, the top is still higher. Right? So I'm just doing a lot of them just to see the height of the sides. The height of the sides is always 1 or 2 lower than the center. For example, this one, the center one is 9 high, so this one is 2 lower. That means this one is 7, and then the last one is like 3 or 1 because it is the last one. So I have a flat one to place. So again, this one is 9 and this one is 8 because it's going down and there's nothing here now. And these ones are 3, I guess. I am subtracting from 1 to 2 on each step. So I have a 3 by 3 normally, but these ones on the sides, it's like the remainings. I could do it to not have that effect. I could do it, let's see if the max height could be between 6 and 9, like this. Between 3 and 7. Sides are between 3 and 7. Let's... Oh, okay, that's weird. That shouldn't happen. That was happening before. Why did it happen now? Let's see. Okay. I don't know why sometimes it changes the state. That is so weird. Like that. I'm going to check it here. Oh, okay, I forgot. I need to do here. I need to do something. If not world is remote, I need to do this to prevent that from happening. If I do that, it doesn't happen. There we go. That's it. Okay. So if a side should be between 3 and 7, that means I need to change the command. What command? I need to delete like this. All right, that seems to be a little bit more spread, right? Oh my god, there's a lot of dung everywhere. Zaggy. Oh, alright, yeah, that could be nice. Don't worry about that. If you have any suggestion, you can do it either on Skype or here. And welcome Zaggy to the stream. Zaggy is a legend, just so you know. Right? Okay, so how's this? Oh yeah, all right. I understand. Danny Royal. I don't know if it's okay to say just Danny. Yes, okay. I just need to say something here. Moment. There seems to be someone with an urgent stuff. There we go. Sent. All right. So Anna Hold, what do you think about this? Well, this is a little bit weird. Let's see. This is 9, and this is like 2. It subtracted 7. I need to check why that happened. Some size measure 2 layers. Yes, that is. Yeah, 2 layers. That shouldn't happen. I am subtracting. Let's do this. And see that. Yes, it is 2 layers. I don't know why. This one, okay, let's see how high is this one. 7, and I removed 5. Okay, that seems fine, but this is definitely not fine. Okay. Yeah, this, okay. Oh. No, that didn't work. Wow. No. It is here the problem. It is always this one? There's always one that happens to do that. It's the north position. No, this is not north. What is this? This is the south. The south position is doing that. Uh-huh. Right. it doesn't complete the circle. It's not completely. Yeah, it is weird that happens always on the south position. This one is not being generated. So I have a loop here that goes all around. That'll be 1 1. Just to check if that is what is happening, I'm going to finish this loop and then do something like this. And I'm going to subtract this. Resetting. No, I don't think that will help right now because I am debugging and changes I make apply immediately. I'm just going to do that. For example, if I... There we go. No, it did it. It did something weird. But it did this. It's placing all this stuff. Okay. I guess I have to solve that. It could be on this. It is not finishing this loop here. Maybe it's breaking. Could be breaking here. But okay, I'm just going to check. I am placing the column at the south. With the height, and I am removing that. It does place it, but okay. But it doesn't respect the height. It doesn't play more than 2. Okay, I'm going to change this. So I'm going to make on this, I'm going to make this optional. Here. Like that. And I'm going to put an if statement here to do this. Then I'm going to make an overload. This is going to terminate. Yes, this is going to terminate this. So I need to save and quit. There we go. And I'm going to remove this from here. And I'm going to select this place column. Like this, with height, position, and true. There we go. Then I'm going to place the first one here. The first one I'm going to place it with false. That way, I won't place the base dung on the first one. Right? So I'm going to run it again and see how it works. Hopefully this will give me a clue of what is going on with that. Come on. There we go, running. It takes some time to load. That means this is just one mod. It's a big mod. Has a lot of stuff around it. And still needs mods. Mobs. It needs animals. And it has a mega area actually. I don't know if maybe I could just take a look at that and see how it works, how it flies around. I'm going to have to end the stream in like 10 minutes or 15 minutes. Before that, I'm going to roam around in the dimension to check all that is around there, because there's a lot of cool stuff on it. Hello there, multiple mean, welcome. Thanks for joining. I'm just having fun with dung. Lots of dung. Dung for everyone. Let's do this and go to the flat test world. There we go. Let the world be loaded. And let's test what is going on with this dung. Okay, now is this? This is south, right? It is still generating this one. I think I know what is going on here. Yes, I think what is going on here. Okay, let's see if I can explain what is going on. The generation does something like this. It generates the first one, right? And then it places like 4 bases like this of 1 or 2 height. Then it goes on a circle from z minus x minus to z 1 x1. So it does a circle like this. So it is doing something like, okay, I'm going to start here and I'm going to place a column lower than this one, but also I'm going to place 4 of these things. Then I'm going to place a column lower than this one, and I'm going to place 4 like this, and it like destroys the following. It does something like that, and it goes on and on until it places all the columns with all these things, and then this and this, or maybe and this and this. So it is doing, and when it finishes, it does something like this at the end. Yeah. So that is what is going on there. What I need to do then, what I need to do is, okay, I'm going to remove this portion just to check if that is what is going on there. I'm going to remove that one and place. No, that is not the reason. This one didn't place. It's one of those things that happens sometimes that keeps me awake for many hours trying to solve it, and someday with just a spark of inspiration I find out why it happened. But it takes me time to find out why, because for now it's a mystery. Oh, the position is being moved. Oh, this is... There we go. Okay. Let's do that. And do something like this. Aha! Okay. So now it looks very regular because it's always generating. So it makes this big square. I don't want it to be that regular. I need to play with the randomization to remove that generation thing there. So I'm going to make this to be generated, let's see, like this. First step. And then here let's see if I put this again. Okay, that makes it a little bit more irregular. But it still does that. So I'm going to come here and add another randomization. Like this. Oh, yeah, there we go. Right? How about something like that? How about this? It is not that high on the edges, but it doesn't always have these things here. Looks good so far. Okay, I'm going to take this as good for now. Maybe I'll do a little more tweaks later tonight. But what I want to do right now is just have like a tour on the dimension, because it is a really good dimension. Let's see. Actually, before doing that, I'm going to go back to the flint and marcasite item, and oh no, I don't want to do that, and leave it as it was, because I don't want to accidentally push this to Git with the generation I just did. Okay, that's how it was. And let's now create a new world and have a little tour before ending the stream. Just to take a look at all the beautiful landscapes that have been formed with the blocks that everyone has done on this team. It's a really nice team I'm working on. As I said, Anak Holt is the leader. Zaggy is a really experienced coder. He has done really nice stuff around here. I have been working mainly on the terrain generation using all the items and blocks everyone else has developed. My participation hasn't been so active actually, but I want it to be. Let's go to the dimension, because I'm into a lot of stuff, not just this. I'm doing a lot of things around, including real life stuff and game related stuff. Let's let this baby load for a moment. Wow, I have a lot of messages around here. Oh, I'm just thinking that I have to attend a lot of this stuff, but let's do this first. Now this is taking a bit long. There we go. Green skies, and I am in a woodlands biome. I really like this one, the different trees it has. Okay, this is something we are working to fix. The boulders, they need fixing. A lot of stuff that generates. I think it looks nice, but it needs fixing. The cave generation actually is something. Oh, look at these roots. I think Vorqual worked on the cave generation. There's a small campfire. What is this? This is weird. Shouldn't happen, but there's a campfire. Actually, I can put stuff to cook here. This campfire, it's really nice. Some loot. Yeah, some more food. Porridge. The sounds of the storage box are really nice. The sounds of the plants too, like that. Really cool. Some rivers with peat. This peat can be used as fuel, I think. I can put it on the campfire to have things burning, but I think I need flint and marcasite or marcasite to light this up. Let's see. And do this. There we go. Oh, isn't that amazing? And if I had an empty bowl, I could put it like here. Look at that. Oh, that is awesome. Yeah. That is really, really awesome. Okay. These plants, this is Paleo-Easter. A lot of names. I like the fact that all the names that we have here for the plants, and this is Diopteris. Thank you, Multiple Mean. Yeah, it's a teamwork and has been coming out really, really fine. Actually, there's a special crafting table for this, and this is the crafting and napping. You can put pebbles here. I'm just going to show. I'm going to get a couple of pebbles and I'm going to use them to craft. Let's see. There we go. I can craft a pickaxe head. Yes, I know that, and I will do it once I'm playing in survival. Look at this. I am breaking this pebble, and I'm making something. If I do something like this, I have a pickaxe head. I can use it to craft a pickaxe. For that, I need fiber and pellets. This is a really, really nice method of crafting that it's used here. A lot of campfires around here. Maybe we have to lower. There's some dung. Maybe we have to lower the frequency of those. This is the Archaeopteris forest with a lot of these trees. And this is like, is this the biome? Yes, this is the biome. This is not like an ocean. This is the floodlands biome, I guess it's the name. I can see that here. Floodplains forest. Floodplains. And the world rendering issue, as I said before, it's from Forge. Something has happened in Forge 1.9 that made this. Some cool caves. Ow! I want to go underground to show you something else. But first, let's see if I find another biome. Wow, wow, wow. Come on, load it. Do something. Oh, there's a cool ravine here. Look at this cave generation. It's crazy. Okay, let's go down. I'm going to... oh, there we go. Spectator mode. And look at this awesomeness. Look at this generation underground. We have a true underground generation here. I guess this one was made also by Vorkol. I don't know if I'm wrong on that. I was trying to do this, but I failed. So he continued with it and made it really, really nice. Wow. This is something that I would like to be in vanilla Minecraft. the underground of the world to have like this. Yeah, look at that. Huge caverns with lava. I want to find a swamp. Yes, I want to find a swamp. This is the rainforest here. The rainforest looks really nice. I'm going to change to creative. With all the lepidodendrons and Zigilaria trees, some Cyrannus trees. I'm sorry if I'm mispronouncing all that, but I know what they are. But pronunciation is something different. The vines is something recently added. Cool. With some Spinophilium. This one is used to make fiber. If I break it, I guess it throws fiber. I can use this fiber to make tools. Wow, this is a really dense forest. I would like, yeah, it would be amazing to know how it feels to have lived on this era. Of course, the air had a higher concentration of oxygen because all of the plants. So there were huge insects here because of that. Okay, so let's see. Oh, there we go. Look at that. Look at this. Amazingness. Oh, how cool. Napping table and storage box with some loot on it. Some fibers and a hoe. A dolerite hoe. Some brown flint spearhead and more food. Wow, and a club head. Okay. Yeah, this is amazing. Look at that. With a ladder and all that. This is really good job doing here. Yep. I'm really happy with how this is coming out. A river and more rainforest. Let's see if there's an ocean nearby. For sure there will be like a swamp. A swamp biome, because on the swamp it's the Vegan era, the first mob on the mod. Well, come on, do it. I know you can. Whoop. I don't know if the days are longer here on Genesis. Maybe they are. Yes, I can show the Manganera. No, I can. I just wanted to find it on this natural habitat because the swamp biome is a really good one. But if I don't find it, I guess I'm going to do that because now I guess I have to end the stream, sadly. I don't feel like I want to do that, but yeah, I have stuff to do. I don't think I can find a swamp. Okay, so the Meganera. Let's get it from the spawn egg. Here we go. Is this little insect, I could say? There we go. Oh, I need some let's I forgot the name. Yeah, calamites. Some calamites. This is where the Meganeura lays the eggs. Like that. So I'm just going to drop some here. It's a really nice insect. There should be an achievement if you can shoot one of these with a bow. They like to lay eggs here on these calamites, if they find it. They went somewhere else. I like the animation of that. Look at that. It looks awesome. All right. This is going to be all for today. I'm still going to do a little more tweaks. Oh, there we go. It's going to lay an egg. It's going to lay an egg. Did it do it? No, it didn't do it. They lay eggs on this, and the eggs pop more meganeras. Yes, I have stuff to do around. I'm going to do a little more tweaks on the dung later, and keep working on this because this is amazing. And yeah, all right. Thanks for joining, everyone, and I hope to see you on an upcoming stream later. Maybe tomorrow, maybe Monday. I don't know. I don't have a schedule. I don't do this. I do it as frequently as I want, as I can, but not regularly. That is the way. All right. Thanks, everyone. I see you on our next occasion, and goodbye.